Hi, this is Jonah, and today we're going to take a look at Shopify Product Filters and how to use them. So let's get started. Alright, let's first navigate to our Shopify admin and click on the online store to see our current themes. Please note that the product filters are not designed for older themes, only the online store 2.0 themes, which is very important. Next, let's take a look at the product filters by clicking on the navigation link over here to see what we currently have available. The new filter system allows you to remove and add filters as needed, which gives you a great level of flexibility. So let's take a closer look at this by removing the current filters that are available here by clicking on the X and clicking Save. So where do these filters come from? Let's click Add Filters and take a closer look. So there's some default filters that we can use, like availability, price, the product type, and vendor. And then there's an additional one for product options like size. Let's look at an example product and see where it's getting these values from. So I'm going to click on a product here. And once it's loaded, I'm going to scroll on down. You see here for variants. So as we create variants, for example, here I have two different sizes, it will be available to the theme as a product filter, which adds a great deal of flexibility. So I'm going to click Add Filters, and I'm going to add some new filters to my store. Let's pick a few options here. So I'm going to click on the size to make that available, and price, and click Save and Save. Perfect. Now sometimes the theme may be cached, so it could take a few times to refresh it to see the changes. Another way to view the changes is by going back to your admin and going to your preview version of your theme, which I have here. There we go. Now you can see that this change has been reflected on the store. Well, this concludes this brief tutorial on product filters in Shopify. Go ahead and experiment on your store and see what product filter options appear for you. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.